Open the container provided with the pack, cut open the pouch and pour it into the sterile container. Now add the sample up to the brim. And screw back the cap gently. Allow it to incubate at room temperature and observe the growth. Note the complete blackening from day 1 to day 6 depending on the contamination. Cross-refer to the chart provided for the type of SRB growth. If there is no blackening of the sample, then SRB is not present in the sample. Please refer to the impact leaflet provided.